Hi guys, I went back to see if the bird was there completely. I looked completely there and it is still there. And that... Morning guys, I've just been woken up for the second time in a row by my mom saying she's got us presents. Let's go and see what she's got us. Well, she did wake us up about 20 past 10. But now I'm back upstairs and I'm going to show you guys what she got us. She got me a bunch of stuff from B&M for Christmas. She got me this lovely silver makeup bag. Literally, it's lush. This lovely brush. I think it's rose gold or brass, one of the two. She did get me Greg's. She got me these. We had 5 eyelashes in one kit thing. It's weird. I don't have 5 eyes, but okay. She got me these nice eyelashes, all different kinds. She got me this lovely other makeup bag. It's literally my 2 favourite colours, and it opens like a mouth. She got me these lip glosses that are actually pierces. She's got me these lovely rose gold brushes. For the top. And it comes with a stand as well. She got me more eyelashes. Accidentally dropped one on the floor. There. And last but not least, a foundation one. Haven't had one of these before. But yeah, and she also got me Greg's. And now I'm going to put my Greg's in the fridge and I'm going to go back to sleep because I'm really tired. And I heard my little tiny Tim. Yes, my little tiny Tim. He's got a bad belly. And he has. And he's just sitting there looking. Thinking, what is wrong with you? But yeah, I'm going to go and go back to sleep and I'll video my Greg's. Delivery has came. Yay, food! Decided to go to Tesco's. I've been out for a whole fucking day now. More
I've been out for maybe a week or something. Yeah, I've been a week, haven't I? I'm not out on a day.
It is deciding to go onto this little bridge and I want to see. I don't even know if you're allowed on it. I don't even think there's people there.
Everything else is right now. Have fun! Why did that there in the first place?
Where there?
Hold
this here. You see how long the bed is?
Let's see it. Go! Okay, done. Yeah.
2 seconds.
2 seconds, the bird, we're just on a bird, can't fly.
Oh.
It's flapping something.
I don't know, it literally can't fly.
You ain't got a leg.
Guys, this bird, it stopped flying and I don't think it has an eye. But I'm going to see what it's like when we get back and see if it's okay, and if it's gone, then everything's been fine. But if I get back, I might like need to ring someone. But it doesn't look like it has an eye and it keeps wobbling side to side. So yeah.
I kinda think there's somebody missing. I can't place a person.
Machine and shit. I've already got them.
No, I mean they're none of them.
Okay, we've got Pokemons. Pokemon.
You can cut it off some dick off.
We got this thing.
Or the bear.
And that bear. That could bite someone's dick off.
Or
That. A raccoon.
the wolf.
No, a raccoon.
I think the wolf actually.
And we've got
Oh, Jack, remember when you say like
no idea what it's called. We've also got this thing. Rock and roll. We got Pickle Rick.
Got one big eye.
I love it.
That's not tribute to on camera.
I don't eat it. Would you eat that?
Oh, I think we need to do like a £500 Tesco thing.
Yeah.
I said, will you eat?
Well, in Tesco, they've literally got.
I found it. It's soft and it's really hard.
It's fun.
Hard.
So cool.
You didn't find it.
I used to have a little, had a little monster in. When I was
I
little.
found my new lolly.
Oh, it's a stitch. Reese's.
I think it was a frog. And then a little anime frog just come up and then you disappear.
Okay.
I can't do that.
I am Groot. No. I am Groot.
No, I'm Groot.
No, I'm gingerbread man. What a decaf thingy.
Decaf.
That is a decaf, isn't it?
We got
no coffee.
Stitch. Star Wars. Batman. What's this? Playing cards.
Oh.
This is just dodgy.
What do you mean? I got a Rubik's cup. Delicious chocolate.
Star chocolate. That spins of ages.
Fast?
Spin it.
Yeah, it is a spinner spinner.
So.
How do you spin it?
Simply.
That.
Avocado. Ew. Someone check. Wow.
Stranger Things Monopoly.
That's cool. Feel
Right,
this.
I need that. That's adding to my thing.
Feel that. So what's up with it? Avocado.
And also look, Stranger Things Monopoly.
And also a fidget spinner. Oh, look at this, Connor.
One dead.
Back in your
Straight
day.
up the zoo. I'm not actually. Yeah.
Superman die. Yeah, they're filming for you to see him die, you know. Yeah, you're here, fan or DC or Marvel, wherever this one's from. Yeah, I get watching it.
You have One Dead.
I have no idea.
You know Watch One Dead.
Probably have.
You got PlayStation. Cards.
Xbox. Oh, that is great. Oh, look.
I wouldn't say so.
Somebody got that early to solve
That looks so fun. I was watching loads of things.
I watched my license one day who do Fortnite mostly.
I know. Eleanor. Beaten. What's that? Just a card to sit there for you to go.
Oh,
Yeah, just pull out the controllers. I would like it blue.
There you go.
No, not really. I'm not going to pay £60 for a controller.
No, they should.
Hey, it now just no price.
Yeah. Oh, it's free, thank you.
It's out. So why don't I have the price? Crazy fox. In their natural habitat. In their natural habitat.
The fox carrying.
As she strokes the towers as she stalks her prey.
I didn't even have a chance to look at the lamps.
And now you see her forgetting about the lamp.
It's to cushion my buttons.
And she's now
Got an eye
got
on it.
to cushion the buttons.
Yeah, go on, Jack.
Look how small and cute they are.
And look at this milk what needs to get going back by you.
Okay, look how small and cute these are.
And I'm taking it to you.
Guys, I have to get more milk because she chose to get chili. Lots and lots of chilies. That's gonna be fun.
Calling out, check out please forward, inspector to thank you.
One more. It's about better. It's genius.
Moldy.
More like moldy. Okay, the crazy fox. If it works. Oh shit. coming. Just gonna pause it. Help, he's doing nasty things to me. Please, call the RSPCA. The animal welfare, please help me.
Go down with that first. Oh, no, down.
Right then. Right, fantastic. Nice one.
Okay, do you have any boneless kipper?
Yep. How many would you like?
Can I have 2?
2 of those. £1.59.
Hi.
There you go. Thanks now.
Good. Thank you so much. Hold it. Pink. I've lost the crazy fox. Marco! Anyone? Marco! No. Still look for the crazy fox, and I've acquired a new item. Still can't find it. There she is.
Can't take them anywhere. Go on.
Record it.
What do you think I'm doing? Peppa Pig.
Keep walking.
Got such a wedgie.
Yellow car.
Ow! You've just poked us at the camera.
Yeah, yellow car.
So what? Stop it. Because what about the license plates? I have to edit them out.
That's time to turn them.
Okay.
As you see, he's
Jack is
waiting.
literally gonna wave at some random thing. I wanna hide.
Do what it.
I'm carrying a bag. God. I know it's upside down. I zoomed in here. Guys, well, we're back home in that we did like buy quite a bit of stuff. We bought like, I did already have them ones in, and we got Nutella, and we got these hot chili ones. Apparently it's the hottest ones I've got. It's got 5 ones. I've got milk, I've got green peppers, I've got gherkins. They're not gherkins, them ones are, and the crisps. And that we do, yes.
And also, she had not seen the reaction to a video.
I've seen multiples.
Have you?
But we did go back, the bird's not there, so I think someone did actually get help for it, and I am happy. And stuff like that. But yeah. Sorry, Acid's just getting us the cup for the milk. And yeah.
Well, I got my own idea. I'm going to use pop.
We are now starting. Here you go, Acid. Are you getting in the shot?
Yeah, then.
Are you? Oh, literally, really? Right. Let's start with gherkins and Nutella.
Yeah, I'm not touching none of them pickles or anything. I don't like pickles.
Can I try how it is first?
You never tried gherkin?
Yeah, but no, that's the deal.
Yeah, that's fucking runny. It
You're
looks
not
like
getting
there's water in it.
them.
Ugh, Nutella. Well, yeah, but I like the other one.
Not on the jar version.
There you go.
They're going to take all of me. I'm not eating one of them.
Do you not like them? Where the fuck did that one come from? Right.
Do you know McDonald's?
No, I don't like whatever.
Sorry.
Want to squeeze my hand if it hurts?
They're not hot.
Oh.
Don't say anything. Can I try one with?
What? Do you like it?
It's all right. Wait.
What's that on the shop?
It's not the
I thought, yeah.
worst taste in the world.
Yeah, I'm not trying them. I like them.
They're not the worst taste in the world.
Right, next one.
They probably are like normal.
I'm not a fan of them
Don't-
unless I'm cheeseburgers from McDonald's.
Right, next one.
I don't know what they are. Sorry, that was the dog and the cat fighting. Pickled corn chops with chili. Can't read for shit.
I'm not eating those either because I'm not eating with the green stuff on it.
I don't eat anything green.
All with seeds technically in them.
I know. They just look the same.
Do they taste the same? Are they the same?
No, they're not the same.
Are they spicy? Or
Meh, they've got a little bit of a spice.
Okay, come on then. Get eating the chili.
No, I don't like that one.
Can
Yeah.
you try one?
Make sure there's a lot of seeds on it.
No.
Come out of like a bin or something.
I did have a bag somewhere.
Yeah, you did, didn't you? But I don't know where they put it. Wait.
They're hot!
that aftertaste.
Connor, they're literally hot. Sorry, that's it.
They don't matter, probably.
My bag.
You might want to get a bag for us.
I want to try the chili. Come on.
Yeah, go ahead.
It is hot as soon as it hits your tongue. It's not as bad. Oh my god.
It's like a sweet chili thing.
The
I'm
sweet-
just surprised you weren't being sick. By the way, have you got a bag for us?
Yeah, that's what this is.
Oh, good, we need a bag.
You can't just spit it out straight after.
You're
I'm
going
scared.
to
Right, now we're trying
What's it? Oh, I can't.
hot chili oil on crisps.
Right.
Are you touched enough?
That I can have.
It's like a little booklet thing.
No?
No, that was. Right, do you have cups or not?
No, you're trying it on the crisp.
Ah!
You're fucking drinking!
I thought you drank it.
I want to drink it all!
Yeah, I would.
Oh,
Oh no! I'll be shitting, but oh my god, my shit will be hot.
I know, but I'm drinking.
I don't
I
give
can't find lamb madras hard enough.
Oh shit, I've been shitting out fires.
I smell like
Let's
it.
go, dude. It's like,
We're trying
there.
the devil thingy with...
Can I try it by itself?
Yeah, we need to try one by itself first.
Fucking hell, it's a big rip off! Literally the only go up to here? Look!
Let's do one. Let's do one out. Try and try one by itself. Very nice. Not spicy. I can.
Oh wow.
Very nice. It got a spice in it, but not
Pretty
bad.
great, that's...
Yeah.
Now this one.
Oh damn!
Easy.
Feel it down when it gets closer to you.
It is hot, but it's not that hot.
No, when you get stuck in your teeth. Look at that. Oh. Do you want me to have that one?
No, not yet. We're trying them together. Oh, no!
There you go. My pencil right there.
Your pants are right. No, thank you.
Okay. That's me, mine.
We're there. We're trying them all together.
Oh no! The reaper one you're having first because I want
Yeah,
to
you
eat
got
after.
to root first.
No,
Me
we're
and
all
Jack
having them
decided
together.
on it.
Yeah.
Wait. We're there.
Smell it.
Ready?
Ooh, it's just
Yeah.
spicy. Yeah, go.
Stay.
1, 2, 3.
You're not bad. It tastes different. It tastes like spicy. Does it me?
Actually, he's right.
It literally tastes like spicy. I'm gonna drink really quick.
It's actually oil.
Whip off. No, we did buy it for the skull mainly.
It
They're
tickles
nice.
the back of your throat.
Yeah, take it back, but that's a bit.
Yeah. I've just.
How hot are these?
They're off. They're
off. They're off the scales.
Yeah, they're dry, so I don't know if they'll be any worse. I'm scared for them ones.
You're allowed to get a drink, you know. You had a drink before?
But yeah.
Pass.
Dibs in the smallest one.
I don't give a shit.
Watch the house, it's just full of seeds.
Did that season them?
There was 3 in the pack, 4 in the packet. There was literally a store.
Right, get ready.
Oh, why do I have the biggest one?
And Tonya.
You need to pull
That's so fat.
stem off.
Yeah, that.
Who's Antonio?
Well,
Oh, you call me your friend's name? Oh, God.
I can't cut that out. I only built it.
wow.
It's still in one piece.
I only bit off the top.
Right wing.
Jack. Where's my eyes?
Fucking toilet.
You got to climb overs.
My eyes.
My eyes.
I need a fucking. We need ice cream.
He's about the most. Oh, guys, it kind of did me left with this. Petrified. It's just under the actual whole carton. I was trying to spat in my eye.
I need ice cream.
Oh, we've got any. I don't have any in that bit.
Drink your milk. Drink your milk.
How? Please, get ice cream.
Get ice cream. Get spoons.
Please.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh. Don't do it, please.
Why, Connor? Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Anyone at home who under the age of
Fuck
12
the
never
record.
tried this? Should we get one animal here?
5 chilies.
The Komodo dragon chilies.
Ow.
I can't remember. He's about to die, so this is it. We'll give him more shortly.
Okay.
And
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck!
John.
Thank you, Jack.
Fuck you. Hot?
You guys didn't finish that one?
I'm gonna have to go get milk.
Yeah.
People can die from this, you know. Tony, I'm not dropping food.
Hot? Oh, we chicken so Guys, I'm so sorry. But yeah, that was my brother. I don't care what he thinks or what he said. I need to blow out his face though. But yeah, it's literally hot. And I can't believe you actually go, oh, what are you talking about? It's not actually that hot. Did you bite?
What?
You didn't bite it?
No.
Oh my god.
That's the one fan by it.
Hi guys, I went back to see if the bird was there completely. I looked completely there and it is still there. And I have rang Blythe Rescue Centre over here. Rescue Centre just to like take it down. And they've told us there's one in the local area. And I hope everything goes alright and I'll keep you up to date. Hey guys, Acid Gaming's going to go over. I know I said I'll record when I'm there, but Acid Gaming's going to go over. The bird's moving. Go in Scotland. Okay. Come on. Hey guys, we've got him. He's hit his beak and he has one eye only, but the other one could be shut. But we're taking him down now. It's really, really scary because it's the first I've ever like rescued an animal. And I hope you'll be okay, or she. And I hope he's comfortable. And I hope people don't think that we're weird or anything. Taking him down. Yeah, look at the poor little guy.
He'll be fine.
Oh, right, we'll see you when we get there. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Well, we're back for another update. He was moving and I was freaking out. It's my first time like handling a bird. And that my hair keeps going into my eyes, but he seems to be okay. I'm scared because it tucks under. He hasn't shut his mouth yet. He has been moving his tongue. It is literally 20 minutes from where I live. But hopefully they'll let us record in there. But I hope you'll be okay. I don't think he likes cars or light. But I'm scared in case I get bit. But yeah, keep you up to date with another. I'll be back with another update. Hey guys, I'm back with another update. His eye has just opened, or hers. And that he keeps moving so close to my fingers, and I'm scared in case he bites. He's gonna flop again. He's freaking. Connor, he knows.
Look, his eyes are open.
I'm scared. His eyes open. Connor. Literally freaking out, and sorry about that. I had to go because I had to put him down, and then I had to put it over his head because I don't think he likes light. So yeah. Did you stop the recording? Right, sorry about that. There's a car coming in. I didn't want to record the registration, but yeah, we're almost there. I said, do you want to put that thing over his... No, actually, I think he's alright. I can feel his little feet and his heartbeat, and I'm literally freaking. This is a live thing in my hand. Well, not a thing, a pigeon. And I'm literally freaking. It's the first time I've done that. I almost cried before because I thought he was literally going to run away, but he didn't. But yeah, but one of his eyes are open. Oh, it's his eye. He doesn't like this shiny thing for the eye. Look.
Oh, bless him.
Do you want to put the thing over? Right,
well,
I'll be back with another update, guys. Hey guys, there's rabbits and tiny little dots. See that, Nathan? There's 4 of them. I've never seen this until now. Any more? Right, I think we should get the pigeon to Wiggles to the vets.
Flappy.
Wiggles.
Flappy bird.
It's Wiggles. I'm the one that noticed it.
Flappy.
We are not that far, I don't think, because I haven't been down here. And I don't know if we'll all record anything, but this might be the last time you see Flappies. No, Flappies.
Wiggles.
Wiggles.
No, Flappy.
It's Wiggles.
It's
Maybe the last time you see Wiggles.
Flappy.
See, bye-bye. If it is a bye-bye. But I had to take my shoes off because my feet are killing. Yes. And I have to say goodbye in case we can't record. But I think we should do. I said we'll be recording because I'm not really good with people. But yeah.
I'm an excellent people person.
I think we are not that far, so I'll keep you up to date. I'll video when I'm in my room or if we're in the vet. So yeah, see you then. Bye guys.
Well guys, we're here. About to go in.
Keep you up to date.
I've just kind of nearly went the wrong way. We'll keep you up to date.
Got back home now. I have just had a phone call saying that Wiggles had to be put down because she or he got hit by a car and had a broken jaw and a fractured skull and some other things wrong with it, and it might have been for the best thing, but it's really hard because it was my first animal that I rescued, and I wanted to go into the rescue, like working to rescue animals and stuff, but I couldn't because like I can, but like I'm not really good at my reading and writing and stuff like that. But if I did find another animal, I will save it and stuff like that, but it will be hard because this is really hard, and I didn't think the first animal that I rescue would actually get put down. I think Tiny is feeling it too, and Mittens and Guinea. I don't know what Guinea's doing, but maybe it's for the best, and Missy died comfortably, and maybe everything will be the way it is. Like God always say, people always say God's always got a plan. So yeah. To you. What do you think? Yeah, hold it.
I think, I don't know, because
It's upsetting.
it is. I don't understand how they say.
It was fine.
Mhm.
Its mouth was a little bit cut, couldn't shut it, and maybe its wing was broke or maybe hurt.
I don't know.
But in the amount of just 10 minutes, the ringer saying it's been put down. But I think they did everything. At least we know where to go for seeing another animal.
I don't know. It's not that far as well. Just.
It is kind of fun. My hip is killing.
I
But
know.
you would do anything, so.
If it was any like Mr. Man, Tiny Tim,
No,
Mittens, Guinea.
I would
Anyone.
No, I remember when he was hurt, I ran the emergency vets. Literally, I did. And it costed, I think it was £400, but I would literally pay anything for him to get seen to. I literally would go through everything. I would even get jobs and everything like that, give up college and that, but I would literally do anything for him. Look at his little face. Okay, I think he knows. I think he knows. I'm not gonna tell him no. So yeah guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm sorry for today's video, but yeah, I'm sorry for saying don't forget to like and subscribe. It's upsetting, but thanks for watching. The Crazy Fox is out.